Hello students, so in this question we have been said to consider the following figure of line MN and say whether the following statements are true or false in context to the given figure. Fine. So the line is given basically and we have to answer. I will write T for true and F for false corresponding to the question. So in the first part it is given Q, M, O and P. They are the points on this line MN. So on this line MN, yes, they are given. So it is true. Then MON are points on the line segment MN. So this line segment M to N, line segment is basically the part of a line which has finite length. Line can be extended up to infinity, but line segment cannot be. So this is also true. These points are given there. Fine. Then M and N are the endpoints of the line segment MN, which is also true. M and N are the endpoints. Then O and N are the endpoints of line segment OP. So, which is false. So, P is the other endpoint and first endpoint is O. That's why it is false. Fine. Now, M is one of the endpoints of line QO, which is also incorrect since Q and O are the endpoints of that. So, this is also false. Then in F part, M is any point on the ray OP. So on the ray OP, M is not lying. O, N and P, these 3 points are lying. So this is also false. Fine. Now ray OP is different from ray OQ, QP. So ray OP is given and ray QP is given. So they are different from each other as they are of both different lengths. Fine. So this is true. Then ray OP is same as ray OM. So OP is given and OM is given. They are also, they are not same basically. They are of different length. So this is false. Now I part, ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. So OM is basically is in this direction and OP is basically is in this direction. So they are opposite to each other. Fine. So if they are opposite to each other, then our statement is false. In the second last part, O is not an initial point of OP, which is a false statement since it is starting from O only. So this is also false. Fine. Now in the last part, N is the initial point of NP and NM. So this statement is true. N is the initial point of NP and NM. So true. So in this question, we use the concept of points and line. I hope you understood this whole question and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.